Good morning, everyone. This video will teach you how to add another app in your team called Insights. This app was suggested by Mr. Rolando, and I'm just glad to share it to everyone. Thank you. So you have to open your own teams. For example, I'll open my maths. Okay, go here on the left side of your screen. We have here add or more or add apps. So you can just have search Insights. It's already here. So click on here. So this is all the functions of the insights and the supported languages. Add to a team. So I will be adding it to my maths. I will just type maths, click on it, then set up tab. Okay, so post to the channel about this tab. So I will just click on this and save. So Insight is already added to my maths tab. So how it works, let's just wait for a moment. Here it goes, it analyzes. So here how it works. So we could have here like the analytical functions, just like the analytics. So we have here all the name of the students who has completed digital activity, average grades for all the students. We get 91% who has completed all the tasks. Here are the percentage of the students who has passed on-time assignment, average time for feedback, so one in a day, for example, and communication activity 727 already has given a feedback and communications. So we can see it here. So when you click on it, it will give you graphs about the average of the students who work on the certain tasks. On-time assignments also will have a graph. And so if you're going to click it in your communication activity, you can see here how many times you have already communicated to students and you have replied to them. So here are the graphs that will tell you the information and the total number that you have communicated and replied to the students. So we have here the numbers from the greatest to the least with the students that you have talked so far. Okay, on. If you wanted also to export this data, you can export it to Excel. So it will give you all the updated data that you need for all your students. So this is all the main function of the insights. I hope you learned something today. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.